NAB Amendment Ordinance 2021 issued on 6 October 2021. After Najib Mahfouz, Khan Pamuk, who is the third Muslim to get Nobel Prize for Peace, Abdul Razak. Current Deputy Secretary of State of USA, W.R. Sherman. W.R. Sherman visited Pakistan on 7 October 2021. Naval exercise Nasim al-Bahr is concluded between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia. Nobel Peace Prize 2021 is jointly won by the journalists of Russia and Philippines, whose names are Maria Ressa, ये फिलिपाइन से हैं, and Dmitry Muratov, he is from Russia. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan was born in Bhopal, India in April 1936. He is colloquially known as the father of Pakistan atomic weapon program. He passed away on 10 October 2021. G20 Summit of Head of State of 2021 is held in Rome, Italy. 6 teams had participated in National T20 Cup 2021. Who won it? KPK. First Transgender Protection Center is inaugurated by Shireen Mazari in Islamabad. Who is appointed Pakistan Football League's official ambassador? Michael Owen. Name the Pakistani who is appointed global head of KFC? Sabir Shami. Who is appointed 35th Chief of General Staff of Pakistan Army in September 2021? Lieutenant General Azhar Abbas. According to latest update of Asian Cricket Council, Asia Cup of 2022 will be held in Sri Lanka. Asia Cup of 2023 will be held in Pakistan. Pakistan is in grey list of FATF since 2018. Who has been appointed USA Ambassador to Pakistan after a period of 3 years? Donald Blum. Botswana and Mauritius got exit from recent meeting of FATF, while which other countries are admitted to grey list? Turkey, Jordan and Mali are added in FATF grey list.
आपके लिए ये हमारी एक व्हाट्सएप सर्विस है। अगर आप चाहते हैं कि व्हाट्सएप स्टेटस पर आपको हम जॉब रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती जाए, कौन सी सीट्स अनाउंस हो रही है, लास्ट डेट क्या है, प्रेपरेशन मेथड क्या है, तो उसके लिए आप हमारा ये जो नंबर स्क्रीन पर शो हो रहा है ये सेव करके, जो इसी वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक लिंक अवेलेबल है गूगल डॉक का, वो फिल कर दें, ऑटोमेटिकली आपको हमारे स्टेटस शो होने लग जाएंगे। लेकिन हमारा नंबर लाजमी सेव कीजिएगा, इसके बगैर आपको स्टेटस शो नहीं होंगे।
Who is appointed new unopposed Speaker of the House of Balochistan? Mirjan Muhammad Jamali. Who is appointed new CM of Balochistan by securing dash votes? Abdul Quddus Bazanjo. इन्होंने 39 वोट्स लिए हैं, जो कि टोटल 65 वोट हैं बलोचिस्तान असेंबली में। Climate Change Conference 2021 held in Glasgow, Scotland. Gilgit-Baltistan celebrated 74th Independence Day from Dogra Raj on 1st November 2021. Most successful captain in the history of T20 International till November 2021, Ian Morgan. इन्होंने अभी तक 43 मैचेस जिताए हैं अपनी टीम को। Surendra Kumar Sinha, ex-Chief Justice of Dash, has been imprisoned for 11 years over corruption allegations. Bangladesh. India had invited Pakistan, China, Russia and other Central Asian countries to attend Delhi Regional Security Dialogue on Afghanistan on 10 November 2021. Which two major countries had declined to attend it? Pakistan and China. Who was captain of Australia in T20 International 2021? Aaron Finch. Player of the tournament of T20 International 2021. David Warner. After T20 International 2021, ICC announced team of the tournament from different team. Who is appointed its captain? Babar Azam. Dash is the first American Omicron new variant of COVID-19 first detected in South Africa. Who is appointed new chairman of Kashmir Premier League? Arshad Khan Tanoli. Who has been elected the next chair of the Group of 77, which is the largest intergovernment grouping of developing countries in the United Nations? Pakistan. After Jim Laker and Indian Anil Kumble, who has become the third bowler to take 10 wickets in an innings of Test match? Ejaz Patel of New Zealand. On 8 December 2021, ex-Indian Army Chief, जो कि 2016 से 2019 तक रहे हैं, and the current and first Chief of Defence of Staff of India, and his wife died in helicopter crash along with 11 other officials. Bipin Rawat, ये 8 दिसंबर 2021 को ये जाँ बहक हुए हैं. After a long reign of 16 years, Dash succeeded Angela Merkel as a new Chancellor of Germany. जर्मनी के जो न्यू चांसलर इलेक्ट हुए हैं उनका क्या नाम है? ओलफ स्कूल्स. Dash province launched Ababil Force to counter street crimes. KPK. OIC Summit of Foreign Minister held in Islamabad in 19 December 2021 और रिसेंटली मार्च में हुई है जो पाकिस्तान ने होस्ट किया है वो. Asian Games are also known as ASIADs are held every 4 years. Asian Games 2022 will be held in China. कायद-ए-आज़म ट्रॉफी 2021 is won by KPK. और ये हमारा आखिरी पासवर्ड. इसी के साथ ही हमारी ये वीडियो करंट अफेयर्स की मुकम्मल हुई. आपको ये कैसी लगी कमेंट सेक्शन में लाजमी बताएं और इन्हें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें जो कंपेटिटिव एग्ज़ाम बिलखसूस FIA के एग्ज़ाम के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये FIA के जो पेपर आगे आने हैं AD और FIA के, उसमें गुज़िश्ता 2 साल के जो करंट अफेयर्स हैं वो ऐड होंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.